Onpassive. Power of IT solutions. Security. Onpassive, a leading AI development company, secures your business's sensitive and regulated data with its AI-driven frameworks that encrypt your data and applications with utmost security. Automation. Onpassive is a robust AI and ML solutions provider specializing in AI-powered SaaS products and applications as a one-stop automation solution. Reliability. Onpassive is a reliable business automation partner for your digital transformation. Our solutions are flexible, built on modern and secure AI platforms that can be used to deploy on-premises. Who we are: driving innovation through AI technology. Onpassive is the revolutionary IT development company that empowers businesses to capture new revenue streams and strategic insights through total business automation. End-to-end innovation. Solutions for resilience. Purpose-driven. The future of work. What we offer. We are the future of technology. Onpassive AI software product development company brings a competitive advantage, innovation, and fresh perspectives to business and technology challenges. We accelerate innovation and transform businesses from strategy to designing, implementation, and management. We speak human. Shaping the future. Pioneering innovation and research. We are committed and focused on quality. Our products. Simplifying the business needs with AI solutions. Onpassive's product innovation strategies allow reinventing business models to help our customers achieve better operational efficiency and client experience. We enable the total value of game-changing AI and machine learning development solutions that are easy to use, adapt, and scale. We are the pioneers of end-to-end AI solutions. Onpassive is known for data-led transformation that scales productivity and efficiency in your organization. We are the best platform for getting the right products and solutions to streamline your business and provide the most excellent chance of implementing the right IT solutions for your business.